kadang khot meeting ini private hospital ta janit tingin wat yang ni kata kanong ni nomor nak MHS card giyo te nak MHS card kadon keslap sising kadai kanu te baga poi kata baga ki kata tingin wat ya kata nomor kidon gitu ki private ward ke bakam cover ke MHS kidon kita wai ki ba kam cover ke MHS kidi barama kidon duai injection ba 10,000 sisa ai siap ai arteli kidon sutu remdesivir budai 1,000 te ke ikan gitu berfet ke bakiyo nak MHS ke bengi ngila ai kaslam ha private hospital ke di arajan ruspa ha kini ki government hospital ke di aspa te menta kasing hot meeting ki te la shine sa ai ke clarification fi balik ke kiyo ni ha bill.
See, in fact, I think our DHS has already told you. We even now those COVID patients we already included in the MHIS. So that's why DHS has already informed you that today evening he will also call a meeting with all the private hospitals authority to find out some clarification or some ways and means how to go about it. Insurance, this is also done by the government, by the state government. It is borne by the state government to the insurance company. So therefore, we have already helped. But of course, as rightly mentioned by DHS, we will find out what's happening, why the cost of treatment is so exorbitantly high. Ya dan ke review meeting ya examine ya kata komo pi la sai ngila ban ya song biang meeting hakaba hadin bang yo ya ki feedback boro nai DHS then only ke government ga sa pet ke kabade ban le more corona care centers as much as possible because these people ultimately who were there in their respective isolation household or whatever, if we have enough space, I think we will take them out and we'll bring them to Corona Care Center. So now we are working out for that. Telling you because we got the feedback from different places throughout the state. Ultimately, our decision is to create more Corona Care Centers. That's what I'm saying. Right now, we are ramping up this issue very, very seriously. And once we are able to create Corona Care Centers, I'm very sure those positive cases, who wishes to be shifted to Corona Care Center. Even this issue, that's what DHS has already informed you, that he is going to have a meeting with not only with private hospitals, even with NICRIMS officials. He will have a meeting and then he'll discuss all the details. And then ultimately tomorrow, he'll bring it to the government and then we will see and take a final call on that. Ini review meeting apa kejelam jong i Chief Minister Bodon Burom menta ke janmit hadin bangyo i ya ke jingkeu jong ki cases man kasngi baru hadin bangyo i bakine ki cases ki spread keleng saudong jong gejala jong i barok kawai ban kam pensuk ya kitu kilong yeng kilong sem kibayo ya ki positif baru kibasyong halaki jong ki yeng ki sem kibangi declare kum kata ka micro containment hakitu ki yeng ki sem ki jong ki kala banlong bakiyo positif arngut marway lane katnu kanungut kibadon hakatu ka tliw yeng lane hakatu ka long yeng kolong sem menta kasngi ngelarai ba kasorkar ya kitu kiba syong halaki jong ki yeng ya kitu kiba isolate yalade halaki jong ki yeng ki bom don kam banlet ki hospital ki bom don kam banlet ki isolation centers ngin penbiang ya katu ka paket ke bingi juai mensiam snem hakaba ya ki tirbam tirdi ngin penpoi sya ki tliw yeng ki jongki kani kalong kabangi sim ya karai menta ka janmit na kabenta ban pensuk ya kitu kolong ying kolong sem kum bang ong ye pi ki bangi hap ban declare kum ka micro containment area lene ka micro containment household hakeleng jong kajela ka jongi bat ya kani ngila IT ha ki deputy commissioners ha ki district administration ba kin pentrai kam ya kani kloy kat balak bakin pendon kam ya kani kloy kat balak
Mentah kesini arf sau tarik benai me ar hajar ar kuai. Kikis ki bathamai mentah kesini gilong praspa kadway. Ki barikawa gilong rius pa nyup kendai. Baru kikis hapo jela ki belong aktif gilong nyau hajar nyau spa pra. Pada kini, sau hajar arspa handai puar kita napo East Coast Hills, si hajar si spa prapunyo hapo ribhai. Kini gi distrik ki babon tam kies kamu kumangalap tip. Kinong pang ki bakhlap no kilong arsau. Napo East Coast Hills katnyo, West Janta Hills lai. West Garo Hills Iway, East Janta Hills Iway, but West Khasi Hills